Hello everyone. Uh, Today I'm going to talk about how to set your heart right. So basically, to do anything that you want, you have to set your heart right. And sometimes it just so happens that you want to do something, but then again, all kinds of doubts are creeping in your mind as to whether I should really go ahead and do it, or let it be. I'm just okay with whatever I'm doing. So all these things, they just basically mean that the heart is not set right. So how do we set our heart right to accomplish a certain target, or to be precise, to go and achieve our dreams or goals, or whatever that may be? So to set our heart right, basically we need to do a few things, need to apply a certain technique. According to me, the first thing that you need to do is, if you want to do it right, take 3 sheets of paper and write down 3 questions accordingly. The first question that you need to write down is that the only thing that you want to do? Now here I use the word only because sometimes you might be in a situation in future where you will have to make a choice between your dreams, between achieving your dreams, and letting it go by choosing something else. So is that the only thing? What do we exactly mean by that? To be very honest, say you are in a situation where you are going to fulfill your dream, and then the very next day you're going to die. Say you are in a situation like that. So this just basically means that you will achieve your dream all right, but you will not be able to enjoy the fruits of it. So that is why you need to ask the question, is that the only thing that you want to do? Is that the only thing that you want to do? Means the achieving the dream, is it the only thing? I don't want to enjoy the fruits of it, but I just want to achieve the dream. The second question that you need to write down is, am I going to make the highest sacrifice? Here the word highest is important. Jesus Christ sacrificed his life to show love and patience and tolerance for another life. Ekalavya sacrificed his whole dream, his career, if you would call it, to show loyalty to his teacher, Guru. Gautam Buddha sacrificed his kingdom his wife, and more importantly, his or son to become one of the greatest human beings the world has ever known. So, that is why we have to ask ourselves, are we up for the battle of doing the highest sacrifice? Tomorrow you might be in a situation where you will have to let go of everything that you care for, everything that you love, in order to achieve your dreams. Will you be up for it then? And now, the third question which we need to ask ourselves is, rather, you need to put it on paper, is it worth it? So, generally, if the answers to the first two questions are yes, generally the third question's answer would be yes, even though the third question's answer might change when you actually go and fulfill your dream. That is to be more philosophical, I would say. We don't need to worry about that when you have not achieved your dream. That is for the future. But the third question would be that, is it worth it? And if all the answers are yes, then you can probably keep those pieces of papers, and every month or every 3 months you can go through them again, ask yourselves those three questions and see if you still have those answers as yes. Any moment, any time in your journey to achieve your goals, if you feel that one of those answers are becoming no, then you will have to let go of your dreams. All the three answers of those questions will have to be consistently yes to achieve your dreams. Now, these are dreams that, when I say dreams, the thing that I mean is the highest of dreams. Choose the highest of dreams that you can think of and follow it, because believe me, the higher the dream is, the bigger the sacrifice, bigger the struggle, and also bigger the enjoyment. But whether we are up for it or not will be defined by how well you answer those questions. Thank you. Bye bye. Om Shanti.